is the game on already?
Yeah, started, yeah.
Really?
How's the best take of me?
Roman Jones.
We're gonna build down. We're about to kill it. We're about to kill the show, my brother.
That's why I told you after the show. He's thinking about the show right now.
Oh.
That's what's up.
What's one thing your country is known for?
It's more than one thing. That's really hard to pick one. A wonderful present. Beautiful girls.
The dancers are here. Where the dancers? They're probably in the bigger locker room somewhere. I don't know.
Someone else can show me, I don't know where they are right now.
Is it something you need to write down?
Yeah, before they even dance.
Really?
Sandpaper, yeah. Sandpaper.
These people are very, very serious. Anyway, so I'm sure, is the game on already?
Yeah, started, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
So that means you're about to go perform. Is it in the first quarter, second quarter?
It's like 4 minutes in already. It
Okay.
just started, yeah.
Can we be able to move around?
Yes. You're the artist, so your bodyguard is in the walk with you, so you're fine. Everyone else needs to have this.
Okay.
I got it.
Okay.
Should we put on?
Yeah, or at least let them see it somewhere. Like make it visible.
I put my other sunglasses in your bag, so. Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Ego.
Yeah. Please don't make me stand.
No. This is not then. We throw away your sitting like.
Alright. It's like we.
Where are you from?
From Rwanda.
Okay.
I think it's too loud. Like it?
Yeah. What's one thing your country?
It's more than one thing that's really hard to do.
Wonderful president. Beautiful girls. What's one thing you do before every performance?
One thing I do before I perform,
Every performance, yeah.
pray.
You're gonna ask the question, and the African dream to me is. So what does the African dream mean to you?
The African dream to me is like the African dream to me is African or Afro music with techno. I know we're doing it, but with techno.
With the exception of your songs, what's one song that's currently in rotation on your phone?
And that's probably one African song that is that's Christopher's song. I think it's called Volley. Christopher Meneza's song. Is it Volley? Volley, yeah.
So can you just do it again? Like just give me the answer. So it's by this song, by.
Yeah. The song that is currently on my rotation is called Volley by Christopher.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which teams are you most excited to see at BAL season 4?
The Angola team. I forgot the name.
The children one.
Yeah, that's the one.
Okay, cool. So now we're done with the interview. I want you to give us an BAL and then shout out to Afro Future.
Okay. Shout out to Future, what you said?
It's Afro Future.
Afro Future.
Yes, and then the BAL. So
Okay.
BAL Afro Future. Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Shout out to Afro Future, shout out to BAL. One love.
I wanted you to
Okay,
and then you say
Okay.
shout out to
Okay.
yeah.
You got it. Ready?
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's your boy The Band once again. Shout out to Afro Future. Another one?
And shout out to Afro
BAL.
Yeah.
He's over it. Okay.
That's why I told you after the show. He's thinking about the show right now.
Oh.
That's what's up.
Okay,
Do
let's
one after the show as well.
No, you can just finish. That's the last
get
one.
out of the way.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go.
Tell us, you know, it's your boy The Band. Shout out to Afro Future. Yeah, that's how we. Yeah.
Ready?
Yes.
Once again, shout out to Afro Future, shout out to BAL.
Yes.
We're done. That's all.
That's it.
We got 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
All the best. Take a beat.
Oh man. Appreciate it, man.
Tommy Jones. We're in the building. We're about to kill it. About to kill the show, my brother. That's what's up.
Because my thing, the referee.
Thank you.